In the heart of a verdant forest, a creature of unparalleled beauty unfolds. A shimmering cascade of emerald, sapphire, and gold, it moves with an ethereal grace. This is the peacock, a living tapestry of color, a testament to nature's artistry. Few sights in the natural world can rival the sheer magnificence of a peacock in full display. Its train, a shimmering fan of feathers, unfurls like a royal banner, each iridescent eye a mesmerizing jewel. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of the peacock, exploring the science behind its dazzling plumage and the intricate dance of courtship. Since time immemorial, the peacock has held a revered place in human cultures. Ancient civilizations wove tales of gods and goddesses adorned with peacock feathers, their iridescent beauty a symbol of immortality and divine power. In Greek mythology, the peacock's extravagant plumage was said to be the gift of Hera, queen of the gods. Across Asia, the peacock is revered as a symbol of good fortune, prosperity, and royalty. Intricate motifs of peacocks adorn ancient temples and palaces, their iridescent feathers woven into sacred tapestries and ceremonial robes. Even today, the peacock continues to enchant us, gracing gardens and parks around the world. Its timeless allure continues to inspire artists, poets, and dreamers, reminding us of the boundless wonders that the natural world holds. The peacock's beauty is not merely a source of aesthetic pleasure. In the competitive world of the avian kingdom, the peacock's extravagant plumage serves as an irresistible beacon to potential partners. The male peacock's dazzling display is a testament to the power of sexual selection, a process by which certain traits evolve because they increase an individual's chances of finding a mate. This intricate dance of courtship, played out against a backdrop of shimmering feathers and vibrant colors, is a fascinating glimpse into the complex world of animal behavior. The peacock's plumage is nothing short of a marvel of natural engineering. Each feather, a masterpiece of intricate design, contributes to the bird's overall splendor. The most striking feature is the male's train, a cascade of elongated feathers that can reach up to 6 feet in length. These feathers, known as train covert feathers, are not actually tail feathers, but rather highly modified upper tail coverts. The true magic of the peacock's plumage lies not only in its structure but also in its color. The iridescent hues that dance across the surface of the feathers are the result of a fascinating interplay of light and microscopic structures, a phenomenon known as structural coloration. Perhaps the most captivating feature of the peacock's train is the presence of numerous iridescent eye spots, or ocelli. These striking patterns, resembling large, watchful eyes, are strategically positioned along the length of the train. Each eye spot consists of a central iridescent pupil surrounded by concentric rings of contrasting colors, creating an illusion of depth and dimensionality. The evolutionary purpose of these eye spots has been a subject of much debate among scientists. However, the most widely accepted theory is that the eye spots play a crucial role in mate attraction. Studies have shown that female peacocks are more attracted to males with a greater number of eye spots and with larger, more brightly colored eye spots. While the male peacock's train undoubtedly steals the show, it is important to remember that the rest of its plumage is equally impressive. The feathers covering its head, neck, and breast are a rich iridescent blue-green, creating a striking contrast against the train's more flamboyant hues. The peacock's head is adorned with a crown of long, wiry feathers known as a crest. These feathers, typically blue-green in color, add an element of regality to the bird's already impressive appearance. The female peahen, while lacking the male's extravagant train, is by no means drab. Her plumage is a subtle blend of brown, gray, and cream, providing excellent camouflage in the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. The secret to the peacock's mesmerizing colors lies not just in pigments, but in the fascinating world of structural coloration. Within each feather barb, microscopic layers of keratin, the same protein found in our nails and hair, are arranged in a specific ordered pattern. These layers, separated by tiny air pockets, act like prisms, scattering and reflecting light in a phenomenon known as thin film interference. The spacing between these layers determines the wavelengths of light that are reflected and thus the colors we perceive. As our viewing angle changes, the path of light through these layers also changes, resulting in the shifting iridescent hues that make the peacock's plumage so captivating. It's a breathtaking example of how nature, through simple building blocks and intricate arrangements, can produce such stunning visual effects. While structural coloration steals the show, pigments also play a vital role in the peacock's colorful tapestry. Melanin, the same pigment responsible for our skin and hair color, provides the base upon which the iridescent structural colors are layered. Different types of melanin, such as eumelanin and pheomelanin, contribute to variations in the peacock's plumage. Eumelanin produces black and brown hues, while pheomelanin creates reddish-brown tones. Beyond melanin, other pigments, such as carotenoids, may also contribute subtle hues to the peacock's feathers. The interplay of structural coloration and pigments creates a symphony of color, a delicate balance between light scattering and pigment absorption. The vibrancy of a peacock's colors isn't solely determined by genetics. It's also influenced by factors like hormones and diet. A diet rich in carotenoids, found in fruits, vegetables, and insects, is essential for maintaining the intensity of certain colors. Hormones also play a crucial role in feather development and coloration. Testosterone, the male sex hormone, is particularly important for the development and maintenance of the peacock's extravagant train. Factors like stress, illness, or malnutrition can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to duller plumage. Therefore, a peacock's vibrant colors serve as an indicator of its overall health and fitness, signaling its genetic quality to potential mates. The peacock's extravagant plumage, while undeniably beautiful, might seem excessive and even counterproductive. So why would such a seemingly disadvantageous trait evolve? The answer lies in the powerful force of sexual selection. In the competitive world of mate attraction, even seemingly detrimental traits can evolve if they provide an advantage in securing a mate and passing on genes. The female peahen, responsible for choosing a mate, plays a crucial role in this evolutionary dance. By selecting males with the most impressive displays, females are indirectly selecting for genes associated with those traits. The peacock's magnificent train, a testament to the power of sexual selection, is a reminder that beauty in nature is often driven by complex evolutionary forces. As the dry season surrenders to the first whispers of the monsoon, a transformation sweeps through the forest. The males, resplendent in their newly molted plumage, begin to congregate in open clearings known as leks. These leks are not chosen randomly. They are carefully selected stages, often near food sources or along well-trodden paths frequented by females. The males, driven by instinct and fueled by testosterone, stake out their territories within the lek, each vying for the attention of the discerning peahens. A rustle in the undergrowth, a fleeting glimpse of brown and gray, signals the arrival of a female, and the performance begins. With the arrival of a female, the tempo of the lek shifts. The males, their movements now infused with a frenetic energy, spring into action. Each peacock, determined to outshine his rivals, raises his magnificent train, transforming himself into a shimmering, iridescent beacon. The train, a breathtaking spectacle of color and pattern, is not merely unfurled, it quivers and vibrates, each eye spot pulsing with an almost hypnotic rhythm. The peacock struts and dances, his movements a carefully choreographed ballet designed to captivate the female's attention. This auditory accompaniment, coupled with the visual spectacle of the train, creates a multi-sensory experience designed to overwhelm the female senses. The female peacock is an active participant, carefully assessing the males and their displays. Her keen eyes are drawn to the size, brilliance, and subtle nuances of the male's movements. Studies show females prefer males with more numerous and larger eye spots. These eye spots signal genetic quality, indicating health and vigor. She also prefers males with symmetrical trains. Her keen observations ensure only the fittest males are chosen, ensuring healthy future generations. The sound of seduction beyond the visual extravaganza. The peacock's visual display is striking, but not its only weapon. Accompanying the visual spectacle is a chorus of calls, each with its own message. The male's loud, piercing maa sound echoes through the forest. This call attracts attention and establishes dominance. He also produces softer, intimate sounds directed at the female. The female responds, signaling her receptivity or disinterest. The language of color, a peahen's perspective. From a peahen's perspective, the world is awash in iridescent greens and blues. Each shimmering male presents a visual feast, a symphony of color and pattern. Her choice of a mate is a critical investment in her offspring's future. She scrutinizes each male, deciphering the language of color. The vibrancy of his plumage speaks volumes about his health. Larger eye spots correlate with higher testosterone and a stronger immune system. These traits are what she seeks to pass on to her chicks. The handicap principle, dazzling displays, and survival risks. The peacock's extravagant plumage, while undeniably attractive to females, comes at a cost. Such conspicuous displays make them highly visible to predators, and the sheer size and weight of the train can hinder their ability to maneuver through dense undergrowth. This apparent paradox, where a trait that enhances mating success also increases the risk of predation, is known as the handicap principle in evolutionary biology. The theory suggests that costly signals, such as the peacock's train, are honest indicators of quality. Only individuals with superior genes and robust health can afford to invest energy and resources in developing and maintaining such extravagant displays while also surviving the risks they pose. By choosing males with these costly handicaps, females are selecting for good genes, ensuring that their offspring inherit the traits necessary to survive and reproduce, even if it means inheriting a somewhat cumbersome ornament. A legacy of beauty, the evolutionary success of peacocks. The peacock's tale, a testament to the power of sexual selection, is a story millions of years in the making. Their ancestors, likely drab birds with minimal plumage differences between sexes, embarked on an evolutionary journey driven by female choice and the relentless pressure to pass on their genes. Over countless generations, small variations in plumage, perhaps a slight iridescence or a subtle lengthening of tail feathers, provided a mating advantage. Females, attracted to these subtle differences, chose mates possessing these traits, passing on the genes responsible for them to their offspring. This process, repeated over millennia, gradually amplified these traits, leading to the evolution of the extravagant displays we see today. The peacock's story is a powerful reminder that even the most seemingly outlandish features in nature often serve a purpose, shaped by the invisible hand of evolution. Beyond the spectacle, conservation, and the future of peacocks. The peacock, a symbol of beauty and extravagance, also serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of the natural world. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment poses a significant threat to peacock populations throughout their range. While not currently endangered, their numbers are declining in some areas, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts. Protecting their forest habitats, promoting sustainable land management practices, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity are crucial steps in ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures. The peacock, with its dazzling plumage and captivating courtship rituals, has captivated human imagination for centuries. As we marvel at their beauty, let us also recognize our responsibility to protect them and their fragile habitats, ensuring that future generations can continue to be enchanted by the mesmerizing dance of the peacock. A timeless dance. The peacock, a living tapestry woven from sunlight and shadow, embodies the breathtaking artistry of the natural world. Its dance, a captivating spectacle of color and sound, is a testament to the power of natural selection. The very survival of this species hinges on the allure of iridescent feathers and the hypnotic rhythm of shaking tail feathers. More than just a spectacle, the peacock's courtship ritual offers a glimpse into the intricate workings of evolution. Guardians of beauty. The peacock, a symbol of beauty and love across cultures, serves as a powerful reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world. Its survival rests in our hands. As we marvel at the peacock's displays, let us acknowledge our responsibility to protect this magnificent creature. By supporting conservation efforts, we ensure the peacock's dance continues for generations.